Love is one of the most powerful energies we can experience, and the right crystals can help attract it, nurture it, and deepen it. In this video, we'll share our favorite crystals for love and how they can open your heart to deeper connections, whether it's self-love, romantic relationships, or emotional healing. Links to all the crystals mentioned are in the description to help you get started. Let's dive in. Rose Quartz, the love stone. Rose Quartz is the ultimate stone for self-love, emotional healing, and attracting harmonious relationships. In ancient times, it was believed to have healing powers for both the heart and soul. The Greek goddess of love, Aphrodite, was said to have gifted rose quartz to humans as a token of love, compassion, and beauty. To use rose quartz, place it in your bedroom to invite loving energy, wear it to enhance self-compassion, or meditate with it to open your heart chakra and release emotional blockages. Rhodonite, the emotional healer. Rhodonite is a beautiful stone for emotional healing, forgiveness, and restoring balance after heartbreak. Rhodonite is often called the rescue stone because it is believed to help restore emotional balance and support quick recovery from emotional trauma or shock. Carry rhodonite to stay emotionally grounded during stressful times, or place it near your heart during meditation to open your heart to compassion and healing. Ruby, the passion stone. Ruby is all about passion, vitality, and deepening emotional connections. Ruby is one of the hardest gemstones, second only to diamonds, making it not only a symbol of love and passion, but also a representation of enduring strength and resilience. Wear ruby to reignite passion and confidence, or meditate with it on your heart chakra to strengthen love and deepen emotional connections. Ruby's fiery energy is perfect for bringing intensity and passion into your romantic relationships. Emerald, the stone of harmony. Emerald promotes love, loyalty, and harmony, making it perfect for creating balance in relationships. Cleopatra was known for her love of emeralds. Wear emerald to attract love and loyalty, or place it on your heart chakra to deepen romantic bonds. It's the perfect crystal to nurture harmonious, balanced relationships with others. We've covered some incredible crystals so far, but the best is yet to come. Stick around to discover the ones that truly amplify love and connection. But first, if you're enjoying this video, like, subscribe, and share it with someone looking to attract love or deepen their connections through crystals. Now, let's get back to the list. Morganite, the stone of divine love. Morganite is a crystal of unconditional love, compassion, and emotional healing. Its soft pink hue reflects its calming energy, helping to release emotional wounds and attract peaceful, unconditional love. To use Morganite, hold it during meditation to clear emotional blockages, or place it on your heart to invite loving energy. Garnet, the energy and intimacy booster. Garnet is the ultimate crystal for boosting passion, energy, and intimacy in relationships. Garnet stimulates both physical and sexual energy, perfect for rekindling intimacy. It is also believed to support fertility and reproductive health, making it ideal for those trying to conceive. Wear garnet to enhance confidence and vitality, or place it on the sacral chakra to activate passion. Pink Tourmaline, the heart protector. Pink Tourmaline helps with emotional healing, self-acceptance, and opening your heart to love. Known for its soothing qualities, pink tourmaline is often used to calm anxiety. Hold pink tourmaline when experiencing relationship-related stress to calm emotions and foster understanding, or place it under your pillow for peaceful, heart-healing dreams. These crystals can help open your heart, heal emotional wounds, and invite more love into your life. Scan this QR code or check the links in the description to easily access all the crystals featured in this video. This video is part of our Crystals for Every Intention series, where we explore our favorite crystals to enhance every area of your life. Be sure to check out the other videos in this series to build your crystal knowledge and energy healing toolkit. Watch this next video in our energy healing playlist to discover more ways to enhance your emotional and spiritual well-being.